Papa Texas update. Yeah, I want y'all to know what's going on. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas. Yeah, the big W made me that up there in Washington. His link is down below. Check him out. Tell him Papa Texas sent you. Yeah, he's got a good channel over there. Right, let's see what's going on. I've got over 1,000. I've gained over 1,000 subscribers the last 28 days. I appreciate that. I appreciate my new subscribers. I appreciate my old subscribers. Yes, I do. Also, I've got over 350 likes on the Papa Texas Facebook page. That's where you'll see normally just food videos come out, cooking videos come out, I mean. Yeah, they're not all just mine. Sometimes they're my friends. Yeah. All right. Oh, we got a YouTube meetup coming up. Not everybody that comes to the meetups makes videos. They're not creators, but they watch some of us and they come out and we have a blast. We're all equal. Don't you know that? We got a potluck Saturday night coming up on that thing. It's not till October. I'm going out a few days earlier, get set up and all that kind of stuff. I see a couple other people are. But also, if you go look at that weekend that we're going to get together and camp out, the whole left side, two areas, completely booked. You look at the right side, there's hardly anybody staying over there. Does that mean that they're all coming to the meetup? What's really cool about this meetup? Me and I know Billy from Strong's Adventures and Rhonda. I need Rhonda's help for sure. I'm going to have a big urn going full of coffee. And we're going to be making eggs and bacon and biscuits, hash browns, and people come, people go. If you've seen that video, you know what, I'll leave you a link right there to that cooking breakfast video last year and what happened. People come in, they eat, they talk, they leave. People come in, it just like happens over and over and over for hours. And then people are really cool and they brought us more eggs, more bacon. People are so nice. Yes, they are. People came up and just said hi. Hey, can I have a channel sticker, Papa Texas? Yeah. And you'll be able to find my campsite. I got signage everywhere. Yeah. Oh, Gigi's baked beans. I haven't made it yet. It's coming up because I know everybody wants to see that. They're awesome. I will tell you that for sure. Collabs coming up. Yeah, we got some collabs coming up. I don't have any made right now. Hopefully next Sunday I'll make the next one in line and I'll get that one out. I've got a couple emails with a couple other people for those collabs to come out. Look forward to that. Oh, Christina said she's gonna come over here and clean up my man cave and turn it into a studio. And I said, what? She said, yeah, it's for Father's Day. And I said, but what are we going to do with all my stuff? And she said, I don't know, throw it away. You can't. You point at one thing and I need it for something. Y'all want to see what it looks like on that side that I never show? I've already been cleaning it up and hiding stuff so when she comes over she don't see it. Yeah. Let's do. Alright. Now let's lower you down. That's what we're working with, folks. Right there. Yeah, I got me a ruckus over here. Got some coolers. The pool's way out there. Cooker. Cast iron skillets, bowls, cooler, stuff from my parents' house. Oh, and we keep turning. Got my stereo over there, outdoor stereo. Got my TV set up. Used to be a dartboard hanging back there and that spotlight up there. It fell. Got a mini fridge. Yeah. And there's still another part over here. That's another direction. This part out here, not counting that part you just saw that way. This is 12 by 40 or 45, something like that. And this is where I live. This is my man cave. I can cook under here and it could be a pouring down rain. It just doesn't work too well on video. You can't hear me from the rain. Oh, let's go this other direction. Y'all want to see this? What do you see when you look that way, folks? Well, there's my air conditioner. Yeah, $17,000 air conditioner. Yeah, thank you, Train. And you got their swing set. Oh, got a tree down. I'm working on I gotta work on my saw so I can cut that up. American Piddler, been talking to him. I bought all the parts. I just haven't put it together yet. Oh, y'all go check out American Piddler. I'll leave a link down below for him. And you can see my corn in the distance, I think. Yeah, in the side of the house. My smoker's right there. My fire pit's right there. Oh, that kind of gives you a glimpse of what I got going on out here. There's a ton of stuff out here. I don't know what to do with it all. Let's talk about something else. Now, that was kind of like a behind the scenes of Papa's junk. Yeah, hit that bell. You know what else is weird? So I hit that button over the left and I say, I want to look at the newest people that subscribe to me. Okay, 2 months ago, there's a person named Kylie. Says, the last person subscribed to you is Kylie 2 months ago. And I've gained 1,800 subscribers since then. None of them show up in there. That's because when you join YouTube, it automatically hides you from showing that you're subscribed to somebody. You personally have to unclick that so that you're public, so people can see you're subscribed to them. Because I don't know. So if you subscribe to me and you're hidden and you never comment to me, I never know you. Another thing, people, I click on people and I go look at their channel, I look at their about page. Your about page is blank. What is that? Put something in your about. Do that today. Put something in your about page, whether you make videos or not. If you're a creator or not. Yeah. Put something in your about page. Tell us where you live. You know, at least I'm in Texas. I got on there, I'm in McKinney, Texas. Yeah. And if you want to send me a t-shirt, my P.O. or anything, my P.O. box is in there. And I wear an extra large t-shirt. If you want to send me something, you want to send me something really cool, send me some Royal Farms chips. Me and Billy love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I don't know. I'm just being Papa. Yeah. PT. Papa T. Yeah. That's what I got. Just having fun. I'm watching all videos that I can of the people that want to support. I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can on commenting back. I'm like 3 videos behind on commenting back. But people, I promise you, I'm putting the time in that I need to. Way more than I need to. You'll have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Stay safe. Stay blessed. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.